All of my fellow artists and myself are all very excitedly getting ready for Open Studio Tour 2025 this May. Well, not everybody. What is Open Studio Tour? It's basically the one day of the year where even the introverts have to open their studio and let everybody in and talk to the public. Okay, so they may not love this day and are always fighting for it to be shorter, but I adore this day because I get to welcome you guys in, show you all my toys, show you all my products, and have you get some hands-on fun. So years ago, the Open Studio Tour was basically taken over by the artists, okay? We are not known for our executive function, our ability to organize. But as artists, we know how to make shit happen, all right? And we have our meetings, we have our team captains, we have our spreadsheets, we have our templates. We are ready to go. And why is it so important that we have these Open Studio Tours? I mean, of course, we want to invite you in to buy directly from us, but it's more important than that. It's more about us getting a chance to show the public how much goes in to what we do and what we create, how much love, how much blood, sweat, tears, in my case, mess, although I do try to clean it up by Open Studio Tour Day. We want to show you why we do what we do and that we do it for you. There's a lot of marketing around support your local artists, support local, support artists, support handmade, support. Here's the thing. That's all well and good, but what I really hope that the public gets from coming to this studio tour and to seeing all of us in our natural habitat is that we're here for you. We're creating for you. We are supporting you. We're supporting the world. We're supporting everything. We're supporting joy, calm, well-being. There are so many people who say they're not into art or who don't make it a part of their daily lives, but they don't realize that they absolutely do. They just don't notice it. They just don't see it. They probably just feel it. They just feel it when they walk by a public sculpture, or they just feel it when they see art wrapped around an electrical box for no reason other than that's an expression. When they walk through a town that has put money and effort towards murals, because those of us who are artists know that even if you don't get it, we do. We do. We know what we're providing for you. And even if you don't buy our art to put into your homes, we are still going to provide art in your world because we just know that it's that important. Right now, I think the most important thing we all need is a feeling of hope. We are the hope. Yes, we'd like you to support your local artists, but what we really want is for the public to realize that your local artists are supporting you. We are creating beauty for you. We are creating experiences for you, and in ways you may or may not even realize. And we want to show you around a little bit, and we want to show you how we're doing that. And we don't always get rewarded. We don't always get paid. But we keep going because we don't know how to do anything else. We are just programmed for this, and this is our job, and this is our passion, and this is our expression. And our expression is not for ourselves. It's to lift up everybody around us. So come see us. Come see us. Come visit with us. Come hear our stories. Come tell us your stories. And hopefully we'll see you in May.